In this video, I will show how to change name server of a domain name in Spaceship. Let us log into Spaceship. Once logged in, click on the Launchpad or click on the search icon here. That will show the domain manager. Click on it. I have one domain here. Click on the domain name. On the right side, you will see the name service and DNS. Click on it. You can see the current name service. It is the default Spaceship name service. To change it, click on the change button. Select the custom name service. Now you can add your name service here. I will be using the Cloudflare name service. Copy the name server, paste it here. Copy the next one, paste it here. Now you need to click on Save Name Server Settings. This will change the name service. Now you can see we are using the custom name service. Now you need to wait for the DNS propagation. The name server change will take few hours. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.